How to download and install Google Play Store on your PC or laptop. So in this video today we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so first we need to come to our browser, and we need to log in with our Gmail account. Just log in with your Gmail account. Now come to the search bar or search for Play Store. Okay, you can simply come to the Google. Okay, so I'm show you the perfect way. Come to the Google and search for Play Store, then this link will be visible to you. Just click on it. So this is a Play Store and this is your account, so you can manage your Play Store with your account. Now now you want to make this as an app, or want to install this Play Store on your window and desktop screen. Just click on this three dot option, come to the cast, save and share option, and under here you can see option called install app as a install page as a app. Okay, now you can rename it. Okay, if you want you can rename it, or now click on install. Now this app has been installed as an app, and you can see on your desktop screen. Okay, my icon is hidden, so it's not showing, but you can see on your desktop screen that Play Store icon. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.